I have this Emerson Triple-Play Linear 3 CD changer, model MS3103, and the CD door does not open on its own. So I'm going to take the back off and inspect it. There are 10 screws that I will have to remove before I can take the back off the CD player. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th one is up here. After the screws are removed, you can carefully pry the back cover open. But be careful to not open it too far because there are still wires attached. After you have the CD player opened, check to make sure that the belt isn't broken or missing. These are the gears that are connected to the motor that open and close the door. Check them for dry or hardened grease or lubricant. And there are gears on both sides. If the grease on the gears is dried or hardened, you can scrape it off before applying new grease. And then apply a small amount of lightweight grease to each gear. You can turn this pulley if needed to rotate the gears. This is the limit switch that stops the motor when the door is fully closed. So again, here's that limit switch when the door is fully closed. And then down in here, this is the limit switch when it's fully open. Carefully replace the back on the CD player. And make sure that it is fully closed. And now you can replace the screws.